Hi everyone, in today's video we will see Google Fix MMS delivery failure. How to fix Google Fi MMS not working. Fix 1. Check Google Fi coverage. Google Fi only works on LTE/4G or 5G coverage. Check for the coverage in your area. Go to the Google Fi official website and check the coverage map. Input your location and click on Check Coverage button. Select LTE as preferred network type in your mobile. For iOS, launch Settings, then General, then About, then Carrier, then select LTE. For Android, open the Settings app, select Internet and Settings, then Mobile Data, choose your SIM, then Network Mode, then LTE/4G. Fix 2. Check your message settings. On iPhone, turn on message. Go to the settings, then messages, then toggle on and off MMS and SMS. Adjust iMessage settings. Go to the settings, then iMessage, then toggle on and /off iMessage. Also ensure your phone number is selected as a sending address. On Android, turn on message, go to the settings, then message, then toggle on and off MMS and SMS. Fix 3. Restart your device. Restarting your device can help resolve various issues such as low performance, app crashes, and network connectivity problems. Slide the power off slider to the right to turn off your device. iOS. Slide the power off slider to the right to turn off your device. Wait for a few seconds, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Android. Press and hold the power button until you see the power options menu. Tap restart or reboot. Confirm the restart by tapping OK or restart. Fix 4. Check APN settings. For iPhone or iPad, go to the settings, then cellular data network. For Android, open the settings, then internet and networks, then mobile networks, then APN. Fix 5. Contact Google Fi support. To contact Google Fi support, you can call their toll-free number at 1844-TALK-TO-FI. You can also visit the Google Fi website and select the account and then manage plan options to connect the support for assistance with other issues. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.